How to delete an ad on TikTok. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to delete an ad or an active campaign on TikTok Edge. Before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I make various tutorials here to make things easier for you. So guys, I've already made other TikTok Edge videos, including how to create a new TikTok Edge account, how to add funds, and how to create an ad on TikTok Edge. If you have questions about any of these topics, I'll leave a card now with a playlist of more videos. So in this video, you'll learn how to delete an ad or an active campaign on TikTok Edge. I'm here in my control panel and you're going to click on Campaign at the top. If it's in English, you can change the language by clicking here to switch from English to Portuguese to make it easier. Then you'll click on Campaign and check which campaigns are active. You'll then verify the status of each campaign here. In my case, I have 2 inactive campaigns that have already ended, and I have an active campaign here with an unlimited budget that's set to run tomorrow. This campaign hasn't run yet. I scheduled it for tomorrow, but I want to delete it. So here's the campaign. If you don't want to delete the entire campaign, you can just delete a single ad. Right now, I'm at the campaign level. If I wanted to delete the entire campaign, including all ad groups and ads, I would select the whole campaign. I'll click Edit up here and then Delete. This would delete the entire campaign. Let's say you have a campaign with 10 ads and you only want to delete 1 or 2. In that case, you need to first enter the ad group by clicking on the campaign. Now we're at the ad group level. I'm already in the ad group, so you'll click on the ad group. Then you choose the specific ad you want to delete. You'd select the ad you want to remove, click Edit, then Delete. Confirm your choice. Alright folks, any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Don't miss our upcoming TikTok Edge videos. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.